Congratulations! You've decided to have us use Inbrace to design your smile. So why don't we take a look at the process of, from beginning to end, how Inbrace actually works and how we actually design the treatment behind the scenes before your first visit to get your braces put on.
The Inbrace process starts with an in-office consultation. And what we do at the initial consultation is we use our 3D scanner, which is simply a 3D camera, to actually create a 3D digital scan of your teeth. From here, we discuss and we can see everything that's going on both your top and bottom teeth. We can do a number of measurements and really just see what the overall condition is, crowding, spacing, overbite. But during that visit, we're also going to discuss the options, which in this case, you decided to have Inbrace the braces behind your teeth. During the initial consultation, we will also take two very specific x-rays or radiographs, ultra low dose radiation, of course. However, these actually give us the ability to look at things such as root position, the angles that your teeth are at, how much they stick forward or come back, how it affects lip posture, and basically the size of your jaws as well. These are all the things that are important in a diagnosis before we actually go to the treatment planning stage to design your actual results, your wires, and your braces. Now once we've gotten all your records and discussed your treatment and what our plan is, and we've kind of formulated it from the x-rays and models, we go to the software and we upload everything to Inbrace's software, and we have this great system that they allow us to use to actually design your treatment, where we will design the simulation from where you start to where you finish, any adjustments we have to make, all the details that we could possibly need are here, to do measurements, to kind of superimpose where you're going to or where you're coming from to where your teeth will be going, to design that perfect smile and to correct any bite issues. Now, once this is done, we're going to show you what we actually generate once the software has completed its job with us. So after the design is done on the setup that we work with on Inbrace to create, Inbrace then will take the braces that they have, the special Inbrace braces, okay, and they are put inside what we call an IDB, or an indirect bonding tray. Now, this is a custom-made 3D printed tray based on the current position of your teeth, with the brackets placed at very specific positions on each tooth based on our design that we created. This allows us to transfer the design of the braces where they're supposed to go, which is a very important part of the process, to the patient's teeth. Now, quite often we can have our assistants place the braces on the teeth because the doctors have already determined where they go to go in here, and then it's simply transferring it onto the patient. So these 3D printed indirect bonding trays really allow a really seamless and really exact placement of the braces where they need to go. After the braces are put on that way with our indirect bonding, now we have these what we call smart wires. And these smart wires, all the movements that we've created on the software are built into all these little loops on the wire. So your entire smile is built into this wire and all these loops. So these wires are bent and created by a robot that is programmed to basically bend it so that it will create the movement on your teeth that we desire to get the end result. So it's a really unique and high technological process to fabricate these and to design the whole treatment. So you're on your way. Your braces have been positioned. Your wires have been created by the doctor's design, by Inbrace's production. And the next time you come in, your smile is going to get started. So we look forward to seeing you soon. And now you have a behind the scenes on how we actually design your smile using Inbrace.